What are you doing, Anirudh?
We are playing with play-dohs.
You are playing with play-doh?
Yes.
With your friends?
Yes.
Okay, introduce your friends.
This is Charu and this is Mitra, Akka.
Okay, your friends?
Yes.
Okay, what you are going to do now?
Play.
With play-doh?
Yes.
What you are trying now?
Bird.
Bird?
We already made one.
Wow, very nice.
I am going to make a dog.
Dog?
Yes.
Dog is a?
Dog is an animal.
What type of animal? Pet animal?
Yes.
You are doing rose.
Yeah.
Okay, I can keep it. I can keep your rose on my
Yes.
head.
No, it's a clay.
It's a clay rose.
Yeah. Keep this in your hair means your hair will be so dirty.
So dirty.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see how the rose comes. Anirudh is doing something. Dog. Dog is ready.
Yes.
Dog is ready to bark.
Yes.
How the dogs will bark?
My rose is ready now.
Wow, very nice.
Thank you.
Charu is helping Mitra and Anirudh. Charu is doing something, but I don't know what she is doing.
Half bird.
Half bird. What's that, Anirudh? Half bird?
It's some designs. Dolphin.
Dolphin.
Yeah, half bird has become a dolphin.
Okay. Charu is doing a long dolphin, I think. The
Yeah.
dolphin.
Now I am going to make a India flag.
You're going to make an India flag.
Yes, with clay.
Okay. What day is today? Can you guess? Charu, can you guess?
Republic Day.
Republic Day.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Today is what date?
26th.
26th of January.
January.
Okay, we celebrate Republic Day on 26th of
January.
Okay.
I have buy a new flag.
Okay.
A shop. How it is?
Yeah, very nice.
And I have made a flag.
Okay, you have made a
A
flag.
paper craft.
Okay, very nice. Your play-doh flag is ready, Anirudh?
Yes.
Okay.
Do you know our India flag is tricolors?
Okay.
Saffron at the top, white at the middle, dark green at the bottom. Do you know what is in our center?
Chakra.
Okay, super. Then, how many spokes on the chakra? 34 spokes.
Okay, we have 24 spokes on our chakra.
Where the chakra will be placed?
In the center.
Center.
Yes, in which color?
Blue. Dark blue.
Okay, chakras dark blue. It's in which color?
White.
White. Okay. What are you doing now?
I am going to make a two-color flower.
Two-color flower.
Yeah.
Okay.
After I am doing, I can show to you.
Okay, I'm eagerly waiting.
Thank you for encouraging me.
Okay. Charu is making a soap. Blue color soap.
Yeah.
Okay.
I am also making a soap. Orange
Okay.
color soap.
Orange color soap.
Yes.
Okay. With soap, what we can do?
We can bath. We can bath
Okay.
and we can hand wash.
So we have to hand wash regularly, right? During this Corona time.
Yes.
Okay. The flower is almost ready.
Yeah, I want to keep a leaf and a stem only.
Okay.
My soap is also ready.
Your soap is also ready.
Yes.
Anirudh, you know plants are our...
Green friends.
Yes, plants are our green friends.
And it's a natural.
Yes, it's natural.
Yeah.
Trees helps us in many ways, you know.
Yes. It's giving food and
Yes.
giving fresh air and
Yes.
tree is taking a bad air.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes, you are absolutely right.
Of course.
Trees gives us shade. Then plants gives us medicine, oil. Do you know, Anirudh?
Yeah. Yes.
And plants gives us pulses too.
Yes.
Can you tell me some pulses?
Flower.
Pulses.
Pulse.
Wheat,
Wheat.
ragi,
Ragi. Rice.
rice. Yes. Those are all pulses.
Pulses. I made a handbag.
Handbag.
Yes.
Okay, wow, very nice. We can use the handbag for shopping.
Yes.
Okay, I will take your handbag, Anirudh.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Where's my flower?
Yeah, very nice.
Thank you.
Play-doh flower is very nice.
Okay. Next I'm going to make a play-doh sun.
Okay, Play-Doh sun. Interesting. Okay, something is ready. What is it?
It's sun.
Sun.
Yeah.
Okay. You know something about sun?
Yeah. Sun gives us light and heat. You can ask to my sister Charu. Charu,
Okay.
you can guess what vitamin is sun giving? Vitamin D.
Okay, vitamin D.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
This is my Play-Doh ring.
Wow, Play-Doh ring.
Yes.
Okay, it's looking great.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, you have did something. What is it? Mitra?
It's an umbrella. I am also doing umbrella. It's a
Okay.
Play-Doh umbrella.
Play-Doh umbrella.
Yes.
Wow, very nice.
I
Yeah.
have also done a Play-Doh umbrella.
Okay, you have two umbrellas.
Yes.
Okay.
Umbrellas. For protecting ourselves from rainy and sun. Charu, in which season we are using umbrella? Summer and rainy season. Okay. It's
Okay.
correct.
Very good. Your umbrellas are looking great.
Thank you.
Different colored umbrellas.
And we have made sun, flower, handbag, doggies,
Yes.
and birds, and cap.
Okay.
Cap.
Very nice.
Cap for the dog.
you have so many stones.
Yeah!
Charu did this.
Yes!
Okay.
Charu have made this in a play-doh.
Wow, play-doh stones. Very
Yeah.
nice.
Black and brown play-doh.
Okay.
Do you know there are so many types of stones? Can you guess? Yes, I know 4 types of stones. Bricks, pebbles, granite, and
One more. I'll give you a clue. It starts with the letter M.
marbles.
Yes, marbles.
While walking on the stones, we want to be careful, Anirudh, you know. Yes. What we want to wear on the legs? Slippers and shoes. Oh, slipper and shoes. Okay.
Do you know the uses of stones?
Yes, I know. Stones are used to build our house and buildings, and stones are used to make a new road with the small stones like these stones.
Okay. You're correct. Where and all you can see the stones? Can you guess, Anirudh? Where is Charu?
I don't know.
Charu, you have
Where
seen
and all
stones.
you can see
the stones.
See, river,
River.
and sea.
Yes.
And what type of
Sea.
stones you can see?
Near
Paper
sea,
pebbles.
pebbles. Near sea, what type of stones you can see? You can see a rock.
Yes.
Yes.
We know we have another use of stones. Yes, I know. In ancient times, they rubbed the stone to make a fire.
Wow, they rub the stones to make a
Yes.
fire.
Like this.
Yes, you're right.
But not in the stones.
Yeah,
It's like a
big
white
stones,
stone
yes.
and a big stone.
Yes.
Keep watching our videos. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.